Hello, this is Avijit Mukherjee. I am from Baharampur, Murshidabad. I am a JA Lifestyle International UK member. I have joined this platform on 28th of May in the late afternoon around 4 p.m. I have started developing and spreading my business of JA Lifestyle using my referral code to different countries. Fortunately, people were willing to join me in Philippines, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Poland, London, Nigeria, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Mexico, Indonesia, and also in my own country, India. Now, what is my understanding I am going to share with you? Please pay attention for the 5 to 10 minutes what I am going to tell you. This is not a lecture. This is going to be the secret of your success, what I believe and how I have done it. In our life, we should have a clear mindset in doing anything. Now, what is a mindset? It is focusing on a particular aim or a target, constantly working upon it. In what aspects should we apply our mindset? We want to apply our mindset in order to become successful, in order to improve the quality of our lifestyle, in order to improve the family conditions, in order to improve our financial status, in also making us have a wonderful life. For that, we need to adopt a system. And here I am talking to you, addressing to you, to all my brothers, sisters, and my friends. You are all JA Lifestyle members. Now, you must understand the focus for you is JA Lifestyle International. Now, if you really know what is JA Lifestyle, that company knowledge is important for you. You need to pay attention to very small things about the company. Learn for yourself all the details. Attend regularly the Zoom meetings of the company leaders who share their knowledge, what they have gathered in doing this work. You need to update yourself about the knowledge and then also pass on this knowledge to your team members. Now, the first question what should come in our mind is why should we do JA Lifestyle International? Next question that will come to us, what for are we going to do JA Lifestyle International business? Next, if that is solved, then how can we do this business? I am going to tell you answers one by one. First question is why should we do at all JA Lifestyle business? We must ask ourselves at the start of doing any business, are we successful? Are we able to do our responsibilities towards our family members? Are we doing the right thing towards our friends and well-wishers? Are we satisfied? If these questions are no, it is not done properly, then this is the reason why you should do JA Lifestyle International business. This is for your own good, family members, near and dear ones, for developing your life, for improving your name and fame. Now, next question is what for we are going to do this? We have daily requirements to meet, our family expenses, our small wishes, our children's requirements. We need to understand what are the things that will come in future and that will pose us problems, so we should be ready for it. That means we have some wishes and some dreams to fulfill. Have we really fulfilled these dreams and these wishes till now? If not, then we should do JA Lifestyle business to fulfill our dreams. The third question, which is most vital, is how should we do this business? Now, let us understand only people who are serious enough. They are very serious about themselves, they are very serious about their family, and they are very serious about their future. They need to do it with developing some good habits. You have to attend regularly the Zoom meetings about the company's developments, about those discussions which are going on the Zoom, the Google Meet, and then understand for yourself what it is all about. Learn for yourself what is going on, how is it done, how people do it, what are the problems they encounter, what are the problems I might feel, how they are getting the solution. Now, getting a knowledge proper by yourself, learning it and practicing it makes you perfect, makes you confident. Then you pass on these to develop yourself and then to your downline or your heartlines members. If you are determined to do this and follow this process, today, whatever the situation is, whatever the situation you are in, you definitely can overcome it and find it a true solution. At the beginning, you should have a plan chart prepared on pen and paper. Then you should put this into action. Always remember, you are the best. Your self-confidence is the best strength that you have. You should develop and cultivate your self-confidence. If you have this self-confidence in you, no one can stop you from getting and becoming successful. The most important thing for this is to change yourself. Now, whatever you are in, if you are not successful, it is because you are not following the right process. You are not having the right confidence. So you need to change. For that reason, follow those people who are successful and change your own self. If you are going to change it, you are going to change it for good, not bad. In this way, you can change yourself and make yourself better. Now, always remember, there are bad things which comes along with good things. So you must have a proper knowledge of the understanding what is good and what is bad. After knowing this, you must think of only good things. If you think bad things, then bad things will come to you. If you think negative things will come to you. But if you think positive things, only positive things will come to you. You will become growing in self-confidence and you will be becoming very, very successful. Let me give you an example. In the forest, if the grass suddenly starts drying up, do you think the lion or the tiger is going to be affected anyway? No, it is not. So you must find out what is the correct move, what is the correct work. That should be a determined work. Your focus should be exclusively towards the achievement of your success, the success in your life. No doubt, when you go along, you will meet with failures. Unless you are reaching or meeting failures and you are able to overcome those failures, you cannot be successful. Even I and even most other people would have made failures in their life. But if you are bored down, saying hands up to failures, you cannot move ahead. You have to find out ways and means to overcome these failures. If all doors are closed, remember, God will keep a door open for you if you are really trying and willing. So you have to find out the way, isn't it? Now, success is dependent on the borderline of your thoughts. If you think you cannot do, then nobody can make you do it. If you think you can do, you certainly can do it. So you change your thoughts for a good cause. Follow a system, make a plan, and you will just follow it regularly, daily. Increase your knowledge. In the way you can improve the focus, attention, and then what happens by JA lifestyle, you can improve your knowledge, pass on to your downline people, and they also get confident upon you. They become more confident, they become useful for you, they start working, and you will ultimately find the way, the dreams to be fulfilled, the achievements to be done, and you can achieve what you have dreamt of so long. So why should you do JA lifestyle? It is because you want to change your life. And what for you should you do? Because you are not able to do it right at this moment. So this is the only system. You believe in it, learn this. And how can you do? You have to be very, very sincere. Do it regularly, every day, for yourself, for your own development. First learn, then you pass on it, then you earn. I believe whatever I have said, this is a very humble proposition from me. If I am wrong in any way, kindly tell me, comment me, and if I am right, if you think, please follow me. If I am your senior, in the respect that I have come to the company before you, I have studied it, I have done my homework, I have done my focus, I have done my knowledge, and then passed on to you, and that is why you have come today with Jar Lifestyle, because I have done it. But without your cooperation, I cannot go further. So you need to do like me. I respect my senior, my Samuel Ghosh sir, who is my like God to me. I am thankful to you, my dearest brothers and sisters and my friends, that you have given me the opportunity of learning so much in life. Money can be earned from different ways, but I want to earn the money for you. You, if you are happy in your family, if you are able to do better in your family, I know I am satisfied, and I am also going to be successful, because this company rewards everybody who is serious, who is having a focus, and who is doing it daily with dedication. Jai Ho, Jai Lifestyle. Thank you. Thank you for watching me so patiently. Abhijit Mukherjee signing off. All of you have a wonderful time and enjoy Jar Lifestyle business and have wonderful success.